Understanding supplement oversight.
Dietary supplements are widely used, but their regulation differs from that of prescription drugs. Oversight is primarily conducted by government agencies to monitor safety, labeling, and the inclusion of ingredients. Knowing who is responsible for these regulations helps consumers make informed decisions about what they take and understand how potential risks are managed.
The role of the FDA.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, is the main agency regulating supplements in the United States. The FDA monitors labeling, safety, and manufacturing practices. However, dietary supplements do not need FDA approval before being sold. Manufacturers are responsible for ensuring their products are safe, but the FDA can remove unsafe products from the market.
The FTC and Marketing Claims.
The Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, oversees the advertising of supplements. If claims about a supplement's benefits are deceptive or not backed by evidence, the FTC can take action against the manufacturer. This helps protect consumers from false or misleading health claims often seen in commercials, magazines, or online promotions.
Supplement ingredient and safety rules.
Supplement manufacturers must follow certain rules for ingredients. They cannot use banned or illegal substances. New ingredients introduced after 1994 must be reported to the FDA. Companies must make sure their products are free of contaminants and accurately labeled, but they are not required to prove effectiveness before selling.
Impact on consumer safety.
Supplement regulations aim to balance access and safety. While the FDA and FTC provide oversight, consumers should be cautious, as these products aren't reviewed for effectiveness before reaching stores. Checking labels, researching brands, and discussing supplements with a healthcare provider can help individuals make safer and more informed choices.